So now you are in that server. So this is a server from your web browser. You're going to go in there, you're going to log in, and you see, what do we have here? We have a full network set up for you. Just like you go to the company, you get hired, they're going to have network already built. You're not going to be building a network here, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now focus on what I'm going to show it to you right now. The focus is this, that a CEO came in there and he says that I want you and a system administrator to work together to provide a ticketing system for my users. So first, let's define who are these users, who are the networking guys. Let's define that from this lab, okay? So we got a network administrator right here. You see it? This is the guy who is controlling what? Network guy is controlling router, switches, and networking devices, all the networking stuff.
Yeah.
You're not going to be dealing with that, right?
Yeah.
Then what do we have? We have a security guy. He's doing firewalls, intrusion prevention systems, IDS, semantic stuff. That's the security stuff. You're not going to be dealing with that either, right?
Yeah.
Then we have an IT manager who is going to be there just for approving stuff. You need to do this, you need to do that. You're not going to be dealing with that either, right?
Yeah.
Then what we have is a system administrator. This is where me, you, and a sysadmin will be working together. You got in the company right now, but the CEO is like, guys, we need to create a server so everybody can be managed. For example, we have what? We have Emma and Alex right here, sales team. These are the people that we are what? We're supporting.
Yeah.
So you're going to be working on this system, Ali, app server, which is going to be the system administrator is going to create this server. And what is this machine right here? What is it called? Domain controller. This is the key. In this network, what is the machine that is controlling everything?
Yeah.
What is it? What's the name of that? Domain controller.
That's the Active Directory, right?
Yes, but Active Directory is installed inside what? Domain controller.
Domain controller.
The domain controller becomes a domain controller when it has Active Directory. Other than that, it's just a normal operating system. It's not doing anything.
Okay.
So the first thing as a system administrator, what do I need to do? If my CEO call me, you need to work with Qt. So the first thing as a system administrator, just like Ali configured his stuff, I'm going to configure my stuff now. So now from this lab, you're going to learn how we are going to make a domain controller so then you can do your job.
Okay.
Got it? So why are we doing this first? We need to install a ticketing system for who? For ourselves and for these people. Alex, Emma, who is a marketing, who's a sales team, and then Ali, who's working in somewhere in Japan.
Oh, okay.
So we put only 3 machines because you can then say, Alex, just like Alex, there's 200 other people. You're going to be doing the same thing for them. Just like Emma, she's a marketing person. There's, let's say, 15 marketing people. You're going to be doing the same thing for them, right?
Yeah.
Of course, in your lab, you're not going to get 200 machines, right?
No.
So that's why you are working with this area right here in this lab. And these people are just to give you some visualization that you don't work on this stuff. This is already configured for you. They're just sitting there. This is a part of your company.
Okay.
So these machines that you see right here, that's going to be turned off. You're not going to be working on these. You can't work on this. Is just dummy. Right? Now me and you are going to work together to build this system. Got it? So the first thing we need to do is in the virtual environment, you need, when somebody says, do you know how to install an operating system in a virtual environment? So basically you get access to a virtual system like this, and all you got to do is you need to get a file, which is called ISO file. And this is like a virtual CD. Usually back in the days, we had the hard CDs, and we still have it. You put in the CD-ROM and you install operating system on a server like this. But because virtualization, I, as a system administrator, got the CD or a USB, and I installed VMware virtual operating system on it. So when I put that operating system on this hardware is now able to install more virtual systems, just like you see on your screen right now.